Promoting your products in the Amazon store can help you increase visibility for new products, attract more customers, and manage overstock or seasonal items. Seller Central offers a range of promotional tools, so you can choose the approach that works best for your products and business goals. There are 4 main types of promotions available to Amazon sellers: deals, price discounts, coupons, and promotions. Deals include best deals, lightning deals, and Amazon Outlet, and they're a good option when you want high visibility placement or need to move overstock and seasonal inventory. Price discounts let you reduce the price directly on the listing, so customers can see the savings before they add an item to their cart. Coupons work similarly, appearing in search results and on product detail pages, where customers can clip and apply a discount at checkout. Promotions take a different approach, letting you create free offers like a percentage off or a buy one, get one free deal to help increase sales volume or encourage customers to try a new product. In addition to the main promotion types, you can also utilize additional tools like Prime exclusive deals and brand-tailored promotions. Prime exclusive deals lets you offer exclusive pricing to Prime members who actively engage with Prime badged products and tend to make more repeat purchases. If you're enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, brand-tailored promotions lets you build personalized offers for specific customer audiences, such as repeat buyers or customers who have shown interest in your brand. Each promotion tool has different associated costs and eligibility requirements, so the right choice will depend on your products and goals. To learn more about choosing the right promotion for your needs, review Which Promotion is Right for Me in Seller University.